DeltaMath. DeltaMath is a platform that provides math teachers with different types of problems from different math classes, and it also provides them a tool to create homework assignments, quizzes, and tests. So the first thing that we're going to look at is how to create an account for our teachers. Notice you can also go here to create an account for your students. When you click create account for teacher, go ahead and put in your information, use your school email, put in your school information, and the cool thing is here that you can set up your classroom depending on your class period, section, or even customize it to however you like. You can even customize however many periods you like, and the period title. And once you create the account, you will be given a code in which you can share it with your students so that they can go ahead and follow your account. So once you have an account and you're logged in, you will see that all the different sections that DeltaMath offers. It has in the blue, it has 6th grade math. In green, 7th grade math, 8th grade math, algebra, geometry, algebra 2, pre-calculus, calculus, and 3 sections on computer science. So if we look here on algebra skills, right? Let's just look at an example as to what it looks like. So we're going to look at systems of inequalities. So it has a different types of problems students will see on systems of inequality. Let's click on it. The cool thing is here you can see students can see what time you assigned it for the teacher, and it has the proper vocabulary that is used in a math class. Now, let's say a student submits their answer. It always asks them if they want to verify their solution. If they get it correct or wrong, you will still see feedback on the work. So students will always receive feedback, and I think that's incredible. You can click new problem, and even if a student doesn't understand, as a teacher, when you create an assignment, you can add the option to show an example. So let's go ahead and create a standard assignment. We can name the assignment, select the class period, and whether you want to post it immediately, save it for another time, or add it at a specific time. Now, if we go to skills, we can add the different skills we want our students to work on. So let's say we're now looking at polynomial operations. So adding and subtracting polynomials, that's a good thing for my students to work on. So you can add how many questions are required, how many points will be taken off, and if you want them to, if they need an example, you can click show them an example, or you know what, no, they know how to do this and they should know how to do this, or this is for a test, so no examples. Once you do that, and you can apply as many skills as you like. So you can multiply binomials by powers, as many skills as you like, as many questions as you like, and then add a due date. So this is a very cool function. Now, here where it says student data, you can view your assignments, and because I do have, this is my personal account, I'm going to show a screenshot of what some student data looks like. So over here, a student of mine had worked on a total of 102 problems and got 82 correct. And let's look at this chapter 2 quiz. They received a 63%, and you can see which questions, how many questions they did. Even if you click on the X or the check mark, you can see the question that they had trouble in, so that you can focus on that whenever you see them in the classroom. And I think that's a great tool, so that way teachers know what to work on. Another tool that is used here on DeltaMath, and then that also applies, you can apply for the DeltaMath Plus features that will include instructional videos, assign your own YouTube videos, create test and delay solutions, create your own problems, give individual students an extension, create a playlist where all students solve the same exact problem set, customized modules. So there's so many things that DeltaMath offers if you want to go ahead and pay for it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you found it informative. Thank you so much for your time.